This tutorial shows you how to properly design your video for IGTV. This way it looks good on your Instagram feed and on IGTV. This is essential for users who want to make their Instagram feed aesthetically appealing. First off, you should be on Create Screen, and then you could tap on the Create Social Video. For IGTV, select the 9:16 vertical format. And tap on, for instance, any template here. In this case, I will select the first one. The key here for IGTV is making sure that the content is contained inside the border, which are the guidelines in this case. When you tap on the video, you can add any video you like. In this case, I'll be adding this one. Then the important thing is to go to Canvas, tap on Guidelines, and this will open up the guidelines where you can actually see the surroundings. Tap on the IGTV, and this will show you that you should place the content inside the square. Let's say the lines are not visible. You can then change the line's color and opacity. Next, you need to ensure that the video size fits inside the square, and then also the text. Changing the height and the width will accomplish that. Once you've done this, you'll notice the text and everything along with it flows inside the parameters of the video. This means that when you export the video, all of your content will be properly laid out on Instagram feed and on Instagram TV. Important to note that the guidelines will not show in the preview screen. To disable them, just go back to Canvas Guidelines and then click the button off.